everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz and I make Disney and travel content. But today we're doing something a little bit different, and we're going to be doing home decor, home makeover content. So I have been filming videos in this bedroom for a very long time, and this is my bedroom at my parents' house, and the sunlight in this bedroom is just chef's kiss, and I love filming my videos in here. But this bedroom has been in need of a makeover for many years. These colors have been painted on the walls since I was a kid, and there's nothing wrong with the color. Like, it is a pretty neutral color, but the wall in front of me is actually blue. So I had like an accent wall. I had a very beachy theme, so I did like one blue wall and like sandy colored walls. And it's just not my style anymore, and I've really wanted to update it for a long time. I attempted to do it actually in a video too. I attempted to paint the trim because I did buy the paint for this room, and the trim has just been half painted for months. So I really need to like get this room done because we bought a new bed and I really love this bed. It's a very nice bed, and I recently found 2 nightstands at the thrift store and I really love them. And I would love to just have this space be nice and neat and clean and not 3 different paint colors, so that I can feel creative and feel good about filming in this room, and it'll look so much nicer behind me. So currently we are in the process of that. You can probably see the white splotches all over the walls, and we have started to prep for paint. So we spackled a couple weeks ago, so that's been fully dried, sanded, that's good to go. And I decided to hire a painter to come paint everything. I wanted to film a video on the whole process. I wanted to get some before clips and I'm gonna be getting some new furniture and some furnishings. I need to get new curtains and take you along on this little room transformation for the new year. That's what I'm gonna call this video, I think. Bedroom transformation for the new year. New year, new room. Whatever the title is, you'll figure out what I decided on. So this is our bed. This was the thing that I purchased for this room and what kickstarted this whole thing. But I purchased this like a year ago now. And then I have these 2 nightstands. I found these nightstands at the thrift store, and they were buy one, get one that day. I got these nightstands for $5. I got both of these for $5. They're nice, solid wood. If we kind of go around, my room is a little bit messy right now, so this is a true before transformation. We have this piece of furniture, and it holds my husband's clothes, and then my clothes are in our closet, but ideally I would love to get rid of it. It is a nice piece of furniture, but it is so big, and I want to get a full-length mirror that can kind of sit on the floor. And that has a mirror in it, but it's so tiny. I've always wanted like a nice big mirror that I could like take outfit videos in and show you guys, because that mirror just does not cut it. It's so small. But I have this little desk too, and I would kind of love to find a new spot for the desk. And right now there's really only that space because we have this giant piece of furniture. So I'm not really sure what we're gonna do with it. And then we definitely need rugs. We don't have any rugs in here. And you can kind of see the paint colors. So this is the color we're going to be painting the walls. It is White Dove by Benjamin Moore. And then this is the color we're going to be painting the trim and the doors. And this is Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore too, I think. And it's a really like neutral gray color with some green undertones. And I'm going to be playing into that colorway. So then over here I have this tiny, tiny dresser. And I would love to relocate this possibly to this wall on here, on the back wall, which again is why I'm thinking of getting rid of this. So I'd love to do the dresser kind of off center, and then a big mirror and maybe like a plant or something in the corner, and just kind of have a nice getting ready area over here. Because I would love to get a longer dresser, and I do need to get some kind of bigger dresser situation if we're getting rid of that piece of furniture. But I would love to do a nice long dresser because as you can see, this wall is fairly long. And we have a TV. We have a bigger TV because this TV is like broken, doesn't work anymore. So we have a nice TV and a wall mounting bracket that we're going to mount on the wall. And then over here, I currently have my clothing rack with a curtain draped over it because I don't have curtains. I had to take my curtain rod down to spackle because the curtain rod in here was actually broken. So honestly, the theme in this room has been broken, mismatched, and just all over the place. So I'm excited to finally get it to a place where it's a lot nicer. So that's the before. That's what we're working with. Okay, so I have to run out to work real quick, but I wanted to grab another shot during this whole room makeover. And currently, the status of the room is that the trim and the doors have been painted, and they look so good. It's gonna look even better because this is gonna be the color on the wall. So like this color looks a lot nicer against this than this yellow color. Like they do not complement each other well. The status of my room is a little chaotic right now, but when I come home today from work, the walls should be painted or at least have a full first coat. So I'm so excited to show you that. And I'm over the moon. This has been a long time coming, this project. So alright, so the room is a little disheveled. I definitely have to do like a full bedroom clean and declutter. So if that's up, I'll leave it linked in the cards, but I wanted to show you the paint color next to the trim. So I will say it's a little bit warmer in person. It's looking a little cool toned on camera, but it just looks so clean and crisp and a lot nicer. So we've moved some of the furniture around, as you can see. And over here we've got a situation going on because I don't have curtains. So the clothing rack is kind of been acting as a mini curtain, but that is going to be alleviated in this video. We got curtains. This is super real life. My bed is not made. I was actually sick for a week, so I'm updating you like weeks after I took the original clips. But I ordered curtains from Urban Outfitters. I scoured the internet because the original curtains I wanted were from West Elm, and they were going to be like $400 plus to furnish both of my windows, and I just didn't have that kind of money. So I found these curtains on Urban Outfitters. They were buy one get one 25% off, so I got all the curtains for all of the windows in this room for like $120. And they are green still because I really wanted to have like a dark foresty green color in here, and they're just very fun and unique. So if you can kind of see the pattern, it is little frogs doing tasks. Like here's a frog eating pizza. Here's a frog sitting on a log in rain boots. Like they're just really fun to look at, and I absolutely fell in love with the pattern. They are thin though, so we're gonna hang them up, and then I think I might order panels from Amazon there's like blackout curtain panels you can put behind these because they're very sheer. So this is the curtain rod I got. I got one of the small ones and one of the large ones, and I liked this like wooden I think they're called like dowels on the end of the curtain rods, and it was just like a really nice cream color. I didn't want the curtain rod to stand out that much. I think I just found the perfect rug for our bedroom makeover. It's a 8 by 10, 7.9 by 9.9, but $2.99. It's not a bad price. It's got the green in it. It's very spring. I really like it. I ended up only coming here for curtain rods and I found 2 curtain rods, but just happened to take a peek at the rugs. Good morning, everybody. I'm coming to you now on Monday morning. I wanted to come on and show you all of the changes we made to the room because I left off where I showed you the curtains that we bought and the curtain rod, and we bought a rug. So we took the whole weekend to kind of put all of that up and lay it all out. It was a little chaotic, but we got it done in the end. And this is going to be like the end of part 1 because I need to film like a full declutter, and I would like to get some new bedding, and I have to order some art prints, and I just have to acquire a couple of things before I can fully finish this room makeover. So I'm just gonna split it into 2 parts. So whenever the second part is up, I will leave it linked in the cards over here. But to end off part 1, I'm going to show you the reveal of the curtains and the rug. So these are the curtains with the curtain rod that we hung, and I'll try and get a close-up and show you the detail of these curtains because they are adorable, and I really like how they diffuse the light. I'm thinking about getting blackout curtain panels to put behind them, but I'm not sure because I really love how they diffuse the light. And it's perfect for filming as well because I can just leave these closed and I don't get those strong, like harsh sunbeams. But I'll do a close-up so you can see the detail. And they're just the most adorable pattern. Unfortunately, I guess I bought these and there weren't many left because they're currently no longer for sale on Urban Outfitters. We also did some rearranging, but I will preface this is a very real life reveal because, like I said, I still have to do like the whole entire bedroom declutter. So we moved the big giant white piece of furniture over here, and originally I was like dead set on getting rid of it, but since we've moved it here, I don't hate it. We hung the TV up, and I feel like it kind of just looks cozy in this corner. I was originally also going to get like a long dresser for under the TV, but I moved my little like desk piece of furniture there, and it kind of just does the job, and I don't know. And part of the declutter is I want to completely clean the top of this. I don't want anything up there. I'd love to put some kind of like plant, maybe like an ivy plant that kind of like hangs down off the side on top of there, but nothing else on top of there, maybe aside from like a basket and a plant. I would like it to look nice and neat and clean up there, especially if we're going to be keeping it. So, yeah, we got the TV. I need to get white cord, the little cord things that go on the wall where you can like hide the cords. But we also hung the curtains on this window as well, and I feel like it really just grounds the rest of the room. It makes the room feel cohesive, like it's one room and not like two sections of one room, because this room is very, very long. It's skinny and long, so it's always been difficult for me to make it feel like one room. Having matching curtains helps. So right now, this is just like clothing sorting project. Declutter needs to happen. So I've got my clothing rack over here. We've got our little dresser, and we got to figure out something to do with the exercise bench. It needs like a home to live, because I want to put a tall like standing mirror here, and then I'd like to put my baskets back up on the wall, kind of like curved around the mirror. And I have some pin frames that I want to put up. So this is like my prized pin collection. This is the Hercules mystery pin box set, and I have all of them. And I'd love to hang this up over here and maybe get another like larger sized cork frame for over here. Again, this is like mid-project. My bed is not made or anything like that, but this is the rug, and I think it complements the bed, the curtains, the paint color. It just complements everything. Super nice. So I kind of want to try and find bedding that has like these blue and green tones to kind of bring it out of the rug. But I have two picture frames that I want to hang right next to each other, right here. And yeah, just some last minute details, get things hung on the walls. We did hang the most important feature, which is our silhouette drawing of our ferret that we got done in Disney. Absolutely love the silhouettes. So this is the midway point shots. This is what it currently looks like, and I will leave the declutter linked in the cards of this video as well, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be filming that video tomorrow, and it'll look a lot nicer reveal after I get everything out of here that doesn't need to be, and nice and cleaned. So if you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when I post a new video, and so you don't miss part 2 of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great and magical day.